on collection of secondary data. Secondary data means data that are already available. They refer to the data which have already been collected and analyzed by someone else. When the researcher utilizes secondary data, then he has to look into various sources from where he can obtain them. In this case, he is certainly not confronted with the problems that are usually associated with the collection of original data. Secondary data had so many features such as various publication of the central or state or local governments, various publications for foreign governments of or international bodies and their subsidiaries organizations, technical and trade journals, books, magazines, newspapers, and report and publication of the various associations connected with the business and industry. Most of the banks, stock exchange report prepared by the researchers, research scholars, universities, economists, and so many field surveys, records, publication records, statistics records, statistical records, historical records, documents, and other sources of publication information are consisting in the secondary data collection. Nowadays, data are published on the website in very easy available on website such as Reserve Bank of India data. You can find it in very easy way. National Stock Exchange data. Most of the data are freely available on the provided in Excel sheets, and Excel sheet is access in very easy with the using of various formulas which has provided in Excel sheet. The sources of unpublished data are having also in the data sources such as diaries information, letters information, unpublished bibliography, and so many data are available with the scholars and the researchers. Worker, trade associations, labor, bureaucrats, and other private agencies which are provided such as data about the organization. A researcher must be very careful about the using of secondary data. They must take minutes to check the security, because just possible that the secondary data may be unavailable or inadequate in the context of the problem creating data, and or so many data are not verifying by the various agencies which are provided on the public or social medias. Always necessary to critical analysis such types of data. By the way, the researchers before using this type of secondary data must be see the various uh, issues such as reliability of the data, how much reliable. The reliability can be tested by the finding out of the researcher who collected the data. You must know about the data, who collected the data, where or what the source of the data, and collected by using proper method or not, what the time of collection of data, what the level of accuracy which you have going to use in your research work, and suitability of data is also necessary part of the secondary data for the using in your research work. The data that are suitable for one inquiry may not be necessarily found suitable another inquiry. uh, Specify cases, some specify cases you can use but not in at all another inquiry. Available data found uh, define term of the various data, how they define about the data, it is also necessary part of the suitability of the data. Adequacy of data. If the level of accuracy, if the level of accuracy achieved in data found inadequate purpose of the present inquiry, they will be considered as inadequate used by the researcher. The data will also be considered inadequate. From all these uh, items, factors which I have cleared previously, very risky to use the availability of the data, but we should not blindly disappear with this type of data. Such data are suitable sometimes and adequate for in that case it will not be spend time, spend energy to fill survey for collecting information. At that time, this type of data is unfortunately usually information is uh, must be used as the label of intelligence and some taking major precautions during the accepting this type of data. Selection of appropriate method for data collection. It is the very important part of the collection of secondary data. You should know about the nature, scope and object of inquiries. This constitutes the most important factor, the choice of particular method. The method selected should be such as the suits whether the data already available secondary data or not be used or the data available primary data are not be collected. These are the under the consideration of nature, scope, objective of the inquiry. Availability of funds. Availability of funds for the research projects, methods to be used for the collection of data. What is the methods utilized used in the found data which you are going to use in research work? Time factor is very important factor because availability of data, time has also been taken into account in deciding to the method of collection of data. Some methods take relatively more time, whereas the data can be collected in a comparatively shorter duration. The time at the collecting data by the researcher thus affect the selection of the method by uh, taking data from the uh, availability of the data. The new types of data collection is case study method. Case study method is a very popular from the qualitative analysis and involves a careful and complete observation of social units. If you want to use, if you want to apply it in your social work, social research work, you can take this case study method for your research work. The case study deal with the process that take place and their uh, their essential uh, information, study method, location, factors, behavior of the person, um, and so many characteristics involved in the case study method. Under this method, the researcher can take a single social unit for the research purpose. Uh, the selected units which you have selected already in your ACPSI case of data collection studied uh, in minutes deal studies extend over a long period of time a certain natural history of the obtain enough information for drawing collect uh, interface in the content of method we should make completely under the study of the social unit covering through this method. We should try to understand the complex of the factor about the social units um, integrated in totality. Under this method, the approach having qualitative, and you should not consider under the qualitative. It is under the qualitative, not considered under the quantitative. Information is not collected on the basis of quantity. Every possible effort is made for collection of information concerning all aspects. As such, case study depends our perception level, how we treat with the social issues on our perception level clearly insight into the life. For instance, under this method, we not only study how many a man has done, but shall peep into the factor that force him to commit crime or making this type of cases such as criminal man. The objective of the study may suggest way to the reform the criminal era. In respect of the case study method, an effort is made to mutual interrelationship between the cause of the factor. Under case study method, the behavior pattern of the concerning units is studies and not by indirect abstract approach. You can't use direct approach, you use only indirect approach in the case study method. Case study method result in fruitful hypothesis along with the data which may in testing them, and thus is enabled generalized knowledge to get richer and richer. Absence generalized social issues, social science may not be handicapped. You can't make handicap on your perception level. Evaluation and scope. What is the scope of case study method and how you evaluate with the a certain level as required in your research work. The case study method is a widely used systematic field researcher in social sciences or social issues. This credit for introducing this method to the field of social investigation play with the handmaiden to statistics in these studies of families and so many other relative information you are which you want to take in your research work. Similarly, uh, dramatics have been used method concerning problem or getting clues to several problems in brief, uh, several disciplines. Not only this, increasing day by day in the social issues which you have selected in your research. Assumptions is also available in case study method. The case study method based on several assumptions. The important assumptions having in the case study method, such as the assumptions of uniformity in the basis of humanity, nature of human, spite of the fact that behavior may vary according to the situation based. The assumption of studying the nature, history of the unit connected or concerned with the humanity. The assumptions of comprehensive study of the unit of concern. Major phases involved in case study method. We can easily identify the phases which are involved in case study method, such as recognition and determination of the status of phenomena to be investigated, unit of the attention, collection of data, examination of data, history of the given phenomena, diagnosis and identification of causal factors as a basis of remedial or development treatment, application of remedial measures, that is treatment and therapy, follow-up program to be determined effectiveness of the treatment applied, what type of treatment you have to apply. This is the under the determination during the case study method. Advantage, we discuss on advantage of case study method, and also having some few disadvantage. When we talk about the advantage of case study method, being an exhausting study of social units, we are also explain we are also considering the social issues, only a specify work on social issues. Case study method enabled use to understand enable use to understand about the records of personal experience, which would be uh, man inner surviving tension and motivation that drive him to action, along with the forces that direct him to adopt a certain pattern of life behavior, yeah, or human behavior. This method, with the researchers trace out the natural history, want to try to trace out the natural history of the social units, relationship with the social factors and forces. You should find out the forces involved in surrounding of the social environment. It helps in formulating the relevant hypothesis along with data which may be helpful in the method of facilitating in the study about the social units are generally not possible if we use either the observation method or method of collecting information through schedule. This is the reason why case study method is being frequently used, particularly in social researchers. Information about the collection of data under the case study method help a lot of researchers in task of constructing the appropriate questionnaire or schedule for the said task required through knowledge of the concerning universe. The researchers can use one or more of the several research methods under the case study method depending upon the prevalent circumstances. In other words, the use of different methods such as depth interview, questionnaire, document study reports, or individual letters, and like possible under case study method. Case study method has proved beneficial in the determination of the nature units along with the nature of universe. This is the reason why a time the case study method is alternative known as the model of organizing data. This method is a mean to well understand the past of social units because its emphasis of historical analysis. Besides, its is also a techniques to suggest measures for improvement in the context of the present environment of the concerned social units which you have been selected in your research. Case study of the constitute the perfect type of sociological material as they want to represent in a real records of personal experience which very often uh, attention of the most of skilled researchers using and applied in techniques. Case study method enhance the experience of uh, increasing analyzing ability and analyzing increasing skills about the interpretation of the data. This method makes possibility of the study of the social changes. What is the label of social changes? Make make find out the label of social changes on account of the minutes study of different facts of the social units. The researchers can well understand the social changes. When we talk about the disadvantage or limitations of the study method, we can also facing few limitations under the case study method such as case situations or comparable, and such information gathered from or collect from the uh, com- comparable or not. Since the subject under the case study, it's uh, tale about the social history, and logically you not taking the history of social environment. You have not read, or you should work on the find out the history of social environment. uh, but the consideration of case study of significance as such as scientific data or providing knowledge or universal, non-ethical, non-practical of the phenomena of the social issues. That is, real information is often not collected because the subjectively researchers does enter the collection of information in case study method. The researchers fully work on subjective level, not on object. The danger of the false generalization is always there in view of the social fact, in view of the fact that no set a rule to followed by the researcher in collection of data, collection of information. Few units are only under the studies, or few information we select in our studies. In consumer cases, most of the cases of the consumer, more time and required lot of expenditure, more time to need under the work about the consumer study method. Since one studies that nature of history cycle of social units, and that would be based on the social social issues and recycling of the social issues. The case of the data often uh, faced by the researcher because of the subject you have to select it in your research according to the read of the subject, according to the thinking of the investigator or researchers, what they want to know about the social issues, and greater the report, the more subjective whole process in it. Case study method is based on some several assumptions which is I have already which are I have already explained in this lecture. But some assumptions, those are making hurdle, those are making barriers in the research works. Uh, its assumptions may not be very realizable or understandable under the time frame, and such data, such cases are unusefulness or unuseful in the case study. Case data is always subject to making or creating doubt. Responses of the investigator is an important limitation of the case study method. Sometimes they are not repeating in the answer in same way, but the consequences or following by the researchers is necessary. In fact, this is more the fault of the researchers rather than the using of the case study method. Despite the above state limitations about which are explained in on the conclusion points, so many limitations, but we find the case study method is being lots of researchers taken in their research works, if based on discipline, particularly in sociology, as a tool of scientific research. In view of the several advantages indicate in earlier research work, most of the limitations can be removed by the researchers during the taking data from the social issues. At the same times, they have to remove uh, always concerning with the assembling, clarifying, processing in the same way which you want to take from the social environment. Beside case study in the modern times conducted in such manner that data are quantification and statistical possibility uh, to easy to make easy case study becoming popular day to day because of we are taking technology in our research interpretation, research analysis. Thank you very much.